This baby is another birdie. We're looking around.
Shadow.
And this is Shadow.
I'm a seven.
There's Shadow now. Listen to Miss Bevins.
Well, let's see. I don't have the information on this bird. Do you remember what the information is on Shadow? Is a very rare bird. Hey, Monique. Monique.
Hi, Mr. Bevins.
Hello.
This is video. Beautiful birds.
I want to go with that crazy bird.
These are just cages of the birdies.
Lord, everybody come here to see that.
Yeah, once they're together.
Lord, there's a crazy bird. This one will scream at you.
There are other birdies. That one's pretty. That's that one. There are birdies.
Marker on the cliff.
That birdie's screaming. And this seems to be the babies. Here's another cage.
Big mommy one is there in Seoul.
Really? And there's Ducky. There's some
White-bellied cockatiel.
White-bellied cockatiel.